Struggling to keep your audience engaged online? Tired of boring marketing campaigns that don't convert? Spending hours creating quizzes with little engagement? Frustrated by monthly fees draining your budget? Wishing for more interactive ways to capture leads? Finding it hard to stand out from competitors? Traditional tools lack excitement and real-time feedback. Manual quiz creation feels slow and repetitive. Managing multiple platforms is overwhelming and time-consuming. Your marketing efforts aren't generating enough buzz. Users quickly lose interest in static content. Lead generation forms feel outdated and ignored. You want more dynamic, modern engagement solutions. Switching between apps disrupts your workflow. You need a better way to motivate your audience, like introducing Playzo, your all-in-one gamification platform. Playzo offers over 50 customizable templates for games. Easily create engaging quizzes and branded mini-games. AI-powered features streamline content creation instantly. No coding skills required, just pick, edit, and launch. Real-time preview lets you perfect every detail fast. Granular control over visuals and game mechanics. Add sound effects and timers for extra excitement. Embed videos and generate instant explanations easily. Certificate generation rewards users and boosts motivation. Seamlessly integrate with WhatsApp, Instagram, and websites. Use QR codes to drive offline to online engagement. Collect leads directly through interactive games. Boost conversions with gamified user journeys. Lifetime deal, no recurring monthly fees ever. Access top software deals at a one-time price. Perfect for marketers, educators, and content creators. Ideal for digital agencies and retail brands alike. Create branded games that reflect your unique identity. Drive brand activation with memorable experiences. Increase user engagement across all digital touchpoints. Gamified lead generation captures attention instantly. AI speeds up quiz and game creation dramatically. Customizable designs match your brand style perfectly. Timer features add urgency and boost participation. Instant explanations improve learning and retention. Reward users with certificates for higher completion rates. Powerful editor gives total control over every element. Real-time preview ensures flawless final results. Distribute content efficiently on multiple channels. No more juggling separate tools for each platform. One centralized dashboard simplifies content management. Track results and optimize campaigns easily. Boost productivity with streamlined workflows. Save money with one-time payment. No hidden costs. Grow your audience with viral, shareable games. Stand out with interactive, modern marketing tactics. Turn passive viewers into active participants. Build stronger relationships through gamified experiences. Collect valuable data for smarter marketing decisions. Increase sales with engaging, conversion-driven content. Empower your team with easy-to-use tools. No technical expertise needed, just creativity. Launch campaigns faster and see results sooner. Unlock the power of gamification for your business. Never worry about monthly bills again. Enjoy lifetime access to premium features. Stay ahead of trends with regular updates. Join thousands of successful entrepreneurs using Playzo. Transform your marketing with interactive content today. Experience higher engagement and better lead quality. Make your brand unforgettable with Playzo's tools. Ready to gamify your marketing and courses? Get Playzo now on AppSumo. Lifetime deal, no monthly fees. Start creating, engaging, and growing your business today.